Alright, so, hey, shouldn't we start a video by saying hello? Anyway, hello, today we're playing Subway Surf. So I'm in the middle of a run. I've got 6 Alanin thingies. Right now I'm on 10,000 and I've got 400 something coins. Boo, yeah. Don't want this car outfit? At least you get that right on Facebook. Not that I have a Facebook account, but still. Would be helpful if more yeah, it would. Or musically. Oh. Never. Okay, I'm gonna get my mission to spend 2,000 coins. What I'm gonna spend on? In fact, make a head start.
Yeah, that 2,000.
Let's boss.
And the 2,000.
Yes, whatever.
You're probably getting 2 for that.
Make a start! Oh yeah. Okay, making it. Oh, I'm making it up ahead. It's gonna take it any better.
Need 17 more.
Whatever. Oh yeah, I've got coins, yeah. It's not, I've still got 4 left.
Now you have a look in this too.
Okay, check out the mystery box. I need mystery box. Oh wait, yeah. I could just buy some. What did I? This is bad. Oh, this is a really cool view. Wait, there's this one goes through the lamps. Cool. Oh! What am I doing? Oh, key. And a lamp. I'm thinking because I really just wanna. Oh. No, don't wanna buy. Don't contact Google Play. No. There. Boosts. I'm gonna get 5 more rewards. Actually, I don't have enough for mystery box.
Pardon?
Never.
You don't have 500, do you?
No. So it looks like I have to get more coins.
It's pretty easy to get enough.
Yes. Okay, I'll just pause and see what that mission was again.
What was that?
Still with the 2 tied attendants mission was. I don't want to move up. Oh no! Land lamp!
No.
Like, how am I supposed to get there?
Now you have just enough to get in the tank.
Just.
And then you'll have no more things.
Whatever! I can easily save her. Right. I'm getting independent at this now. Now, I am absolutely boss at this game, aren't I? Not being arrogant, but I'm boss at this game, aren't I, Matthew?
Yeah.
I've got into the millions once or twice. That just proves.
Not into the million coins.
No, but you need to score. I'll just give you some advance warning that we'll be playing Temple Run in the next episode. Well, Temple Run 2, if you're like a nerd about this sort of thing. Oh, yes. 7 coins, but I need 2 mystery boxes for this. Okay, now please say there's a character token in this. Yes! Chucky's hat! Double up. Oh yeah, double up. Oh, why is my screen not going back? No!
You want to double it?
Oh yeah. I want to double it up, so then I get my thing. Stupid.
I like that game. I've played it before. When I died, I forgot to do that.
Yeah. Right. This is so boring. Ah! Right.
5,
Why dare I press that?
4,
3, 2, 1.
Boom.
Boom shakalaka. Now I can exit that stupid game. Darn games. 2 built-ins. Okay. Times 4 mission set complete. I just need 1 more to get a what? Mystery box. And a Tricky's hat, so I'm not tricky.
Yeah, but Dan, didn't you double it up?
You mean Dan? Yes, and I did double it up.
How do you double it up?
You just press double up.
And what does that do?
You watch a video, stupid video, and then yeah, and then you get times 2 of what you wanted. Oh, storage almost full. Done. So, I'm going to end the video here.